Hello children, good morning children. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is fractions. See, open your textbooks, page number 142. So, fractions. We have studied fractions in last academic year also. Just let us watch this warm-up table. So have you opened your textbooks, page number 142? So see the warm-up table children. Write a fraction for the shaded parts. You enjoyed this in last year, no? So this is what shape? Square. How many parts it has been divided? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. How many are shaded here? 2. That means 2 by 4. Next, here also. This is the square shape. How many parts it is divided? 1, 2, 3, 4. Again total 4. Among 4, how many are shaded? 3. So 3 by 4. Here, see here, Nana, how many they are shaded. So this is also square shape. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Among it, 3 are shaded, no? So 3 by 8. See this figure circle. So how many parts it has been divided? First let us say 1, 2, 3, 5. Among 5, how many are shaded? 3 by 5. So you recall that how we have done the shaded parts, how we have wrote the figure into the fraction form. Observing the figure and you are writing into a fraction form. Checking shaded parts, total parts. Isn't it? So now see here, complete the following table. Are you observing these fractions? Okay. So they are asking among these fractions which is numerator, which is denominator. Isn't it? So write which is numerator here 1 by 2. 1 is numerator, 2 is denominator. Now 1 by 3, 1 is numerator, 3 is denominator. Here among 5 by 6, 5 is numerator, 6 is denominator. Among 7 by 8, 7 is numerator, 8 is denominator. Okay, so you know. So in fraction which is called numerator and which is called denominator. Next one, ring the following. Are you seeing here? They ask 1 by 4 of stars. 1 by 4 of stars. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 1 by 4 of stars means 1 by 4 into total 12 stars. So how many times it will go? 4 table 3 times. 4 3s are 12. So that means how many stars we need to round? 3 stars. Understood? 1 by 5 of triangles. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 1 by 5 into 10. So 5 ones, 5 twos. That means how many triangles we need to round off? 2 triangles. 2 triangles. So hope you have. Are you clear now about this warm up? Have you recalled what you have studied in last academic year? So writing the shaded parts and total parts by seeing the figures and which is numerator and which is denominator by seeing the figure you are telling and ring the following. Among this you have to do the 1 by 4 of stars. That means multiplication only we should do here. Understood? So let us see in this academic year what you are going to study about the fractions, types of fractions. First we need topic is types of fractions. Let us see the example. Acha, do you know what are fractions? Yes, Revati, my teacher taught me fractions yesterday. Great. Please tell me what fraction of a week is a day? Revati, in a week there are 7 days. Yes, thus the fraction is equals to 1 day means 1 by 7. A day means 1 day. So this is called unit fraction. Revati, do you know we have different types of fractions? Oh really? Please tell me. So here the fraction whose numerator is 1 is called which type of fraction? Unit fraction. Next, proper and improper fractions. There are two types of fractions, proper and improper fractions. What is meant by proper fractions? The numerator is smaller than the denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. Then that type of fractions are called proper fractions. That type of fractions are called proper fractions. Next, coming to the improper fractions. Example, they gave 2 by 5. Are you seeing how they have pictorially represented? So, they have taken rectangle shape and it has been divided into how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you know that whole has been cut into how many parts? 4 parts. And you are required to take out 3 parts. Is it possible? Yes. So it is a proper fraction. It is a proper fraction. So we can write it as 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Now, in improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. So, our example 4 by 3. 4 by 3. So, they have taken separately here 3. One object is divided into 3 parts. Here also this rectangle has been divided into 3 parts. Totally how many shaded among these? 4 shaded. So 4 by 3. Understood? So this is the improper fractions. Next, coming to mixed numbers or mixed fractions. A mixed number is a whole number and a proper fraction combined together. Example, are you seeing 4? 1 by 3 is a mixed number. Among this, 4 is the whole number and 1 by 3 is a proper fraction. So mixed number, we can say that combination of whole number and a proper fraction is called mixed number or mixed fractions. So let us turn the pages here. Page number 148. Page number 148. See my practice time 1. Color all the proper fractions with red and improper fractions with green. So tomorrow you are going to take it as a homework. Now only I said proper fractions means numerator will be less than the denominator and improper numerator is greater than the denominator. See these fractions and which are proper color it with red and which are improper color it with green. Remember this, okay? Next, coming to the show the following improper fractions using diagrams and also convert them into mixed numbers. So no need of drawing the diagrams, just you convert them into mixed numbers. You convert them into mixed numbers. Let us see what are the steps to be followed in order to convert the improper fractions to mixed numbers. So now again turn the page number 145. See here 145. To convert an improper fraction to a mixed number, follow the steps given below. First example is 17 by 5. Divide the numerator by the denominator. You are dividing the numerator with the denominator with 17. So it will go 5 ones 5, 5 2s 10, 5 3s 15, 5 4s 20. So go 3 times, 5 3s 15. Subtract 7 minus 5, 2. So 2 is the remainder and 3 is the quotient. Step 2, write the quotient as the whole number. Quotient as the whole number and remainder as the numerator. Remainder as the numerator over the divisor as the denominator. Over divisor as the denominator. So for this formula is the quotient remainder by divisor. Quotient is a whole number. Remainder by divisor. So in this way we need to convert the improper fraction into a mixed number. Now you do all these problems by using those steps. Okay. Let us see first one 5 by 4. So divide the numerator by the denominator. So we are dividing 5 with 4. 4 ones 4 because 4 to 8 it will not go. It is greater than 5. No? So subtract 1. So what is the quotient? Quotient is 1, remainder also 1. Apply this formula. Quotient remainder by divisor. Write the quotient as the whole number part and remainder as the numerator over the divisor as the denominator. So we wrote whole number as quotient, next numerator is a remainder by divisor. So like this we need to do remaining all problems. Okay children. Next also convert the following mixed numbers by dividing. Same process for all. So you have to do this in your notebook. So children, thank you.